Hello, you are welcome back to IO Civil Engineering. I welcome you to this channel, and in this channel I'll be showing you how to export survey data, the eastern and the northern points from Microsoft Excel to AutoCAD. So let's quickly go into the software, Microsoft Excel. So this is the program, and we've got the points of the eastern and the northern, and they are all displayed in the column. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to check the concatenation function, the concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. We are going to join these 2 points together, the eastern and the northern points. So let's go at it. That is eastern and northern column. What to do, we use concatenate function. Then you input the first value followed with a comma and adding a string, which is a comma, then clicking on the next point, then you hit your enter button. So these are the 2 points separated by commas. So you drag down this value to the end of the point right here. So when you are done with that, let's move over to the next column. And when you are using AutoCAD and you want to import points into AutoCAD, AutoCAD has some commands like the point PO, which is a command for adding points. So we are going to do a little trick in Excel such that when we copy the point right here, AutoCAD should be able to understand what we are doing. So how do we achieve that? Right here we are going to add, let's say this is going to be the command. For clarity's sake, that is why I'm adding this. We are going to add our point here, which is PO. That is the command used in AutoCAD, and we are going to drag it from here to the last value in the column, and we are going to bring in our eastern and our northern values here. We can do that by simply using an equal sign, then clicking this value, hit your enter button, then use this to drag it down to the last value. Sorry. Okay, now after getting this, let's go into our AutoCAD program. And in the AutoCAD program, we are going to create a new layer to represent the point. You can achieve this by clicking on your layers, then click on the new layer. Let's name it point. Select your color. You pick any of the color you may choose. Let me pick yellow. Click on OK. Then make it the current layer. Close this, and what we are going to do now is we are going to set our units. Now, those values that we have in Excel, all these values are in millimeters, so we are going to change the units here into millimeters. You can do that by using the units command and select this, change it to millimeters. Then we are going to leave our precision to be in 4 decimal places. Because of the values we have here, almost all of them are in 4 decimal. In fact, they are in 4 decimal places. So when you are done with that, click on OK button. Now let's go to our Excel and copy out all these. Remember to highlight both the command column and the eastern and the northern column. Drag them to the last point, right click and copy, then come to AutoCAD. Right here at the command bar, paste the whole stuff. Now all the points have been imported right here. So looking at this, you are not going to see all the points here. So So in order for you to see it, there's a command we are going to use, which is zoom command. Then you use the extend command. So closely, if you can see here, we have all our points here. So the next thing you are going to do to make this point visible is by using changing the point style, which is DDP type. And let's change it to this value. Click on OK. Now these are the points that we got from Microsoft Excel, our survey points. Now you can use this to carry out some super elevations in the areas of highway engineering. You can use this point to get your vertical curves and the rest. So we are going to make the points, as you can see from here, they are overlapping each other. So what we are going to do is to change the point type, the point sizes. Let me pick one. Okay, click on OK, and they have been reduced to smaller values. So looking at this, when you give this to a designer, you should be able to use the points got from the survey data. So I believe by this you are able to know how to import points from Microsoft Excel to AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel to get more updates of videos that will be coming out. I wish you to subscribe, and when you subscribe, also click on the bell. Don't forget, please click on the bell to get update of upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching.